Hello learners, in this lecture we'll try to see how to find out the shuttering area for the circular column. So I've written a circular column here. If you observe the drawing carefully, I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 circular columns. So far we have not seen that. We'll try to see that how to find the shuttering quantity. So since it is a circular in nature, we need to find the perimeter. So the perimeter for the circular area from the simple mathematics, we know that it is 2 pi r. So I'll show you the exact picture of what we are actually referring to. You can see this, right? It's a real photo what I was showing you for the estimation what we are doing. You can see a circular columns here, right? So it is circular in nature. So the perimeter will be 2 pi r. And what about the height? Whatever height we have done, the same height we have to do. Whatever height what we are calculating from the previous lecture, the height remains the same. I'll show you the same picture of that. You can see it here, right? So the height of the circular column will go to the bottom of the beam, isn't it? So simple calculation we need to do. I'll write it here. 2 into the formula is that 2 pi r. 2 into pi stand for 3.142 into r. What about the radius? See, this 450 mm, what you can see, it's a diameter of the column you given, but the formula is for 2 pi r. R stand for radius. Half of the diameter will give me the radius. So half of 450 is 225. That is why I have written here 0.225. And what about the height? The height, whatever you have written it here, no, the same height will go for the circular column as well. Now again, the rest things remains the same. Multiply this two quantity, you get the total quantity. Only one circular column I have of this size. Otherwise, I could have done this into 4 also, but I'm taking it individually, since all the 4 columns are of 450 mm and height of that columns are only up to 2.72. Instead of writing it 4 times, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, you could have written it into here 4 as well. So it doesn't matter. It's okay if you do in this way, right? Similarly, you have to concentrate on C26 column, because in a C26 column, the size of the column is 230 by 500. So here the perimeter will be 2 into 0.23 plus 0.5, and the rest all remains the same. Yeah. So this was all about the column shuttering quantity, how you need to do the column shuttering quantity for the circular column, and you need to be careful when there is a change in the size of the column. Yeah, I hope this is understood up to here. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.